Smiley. Hi, baby girl. Hi, honey. Good morning. Hi, baby. Hi. Nyla. Are you dreaming? Oh my goodness, Smiley. Oh. It must be a good dream because you're not waking up. Miley. Oh my God. Good morning. You were dreaming. Hi. You were dreaming. You wouldn't wake up. What were you dreaming about? Hi. Oh, you want to go outside? Go potty? Hi. Oh, good girl. Good morning. Go potties outside. Gotta get Charlie up next. Hi. You were dreaming. What is? You got something in your hair.